Introducing a powerful project management system that simplifies your workflow. Effortlessly create new projects. Describe the project scope, add notes, and control visibility. Make it public for all company employees or assign specific members for private collaboration. Set clear financial boundaries with project budgets. Allocate budgets in terms of total cost and dedicated work hours. Track progress with ease. Gain instant insights with the Project Overview section. Monitor project status, earnings, expenses, and resource allocation, hours. Identify potential budget overruns and take timely action. Empower your team with clear roles. Assign a project admin with special permissions to manage tasks and information. Allocate team members and track their assignments. Attach relevant files for easy access by all team members. Set clear milestones and deadlines for project phases. These milestones can also be linked with the tasks. Visualize project progress with a task board and optional Gantt chart views, weekly or monthly. Streamline financial management by linking invoices and expenses to specific projects. More details in the finance section. Facilitate clear communication within your project team through dedicated discussion threads. Add notes and provide project ratings to capture valuable feedback and keep everyone informed. Visualize your project's progress with a burn-down chart, tracking remaining work against time. Monitor all project activities in a centralized location for complete transparency. Streamline workflows by linking a dedicated ticketing system to your project. Assign and track tasks seamlessly within the platform.